Hello guys! Is your printer showing an offline status in Windows 10 or 11? It's super frustrating when you need to print something urgently and your printer just won't cooperate. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your printer offline status and get it back online in just 2 minutes. Right-click on it and select See What's Printing. In the window that pops up, click the Printer tab at the top left. Look for the option Use Printer Offline. If there's a check mark next to it, uncheck it. Your printer should now switch back to online status immediately. Now you're all set to print again. Method number 2, restart the print service. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for updates on helpful videos.